how to transfer WhatsApp to new Android. So hi guys, today I'm going to talk about how to use WhatsApp to new Android. So you can transfer WhatsApp to your new Android by using the official chat transfer feature or via Google Drive. So to use the direct transfer, what you have to do is on your old phone, open your WhatsApp Messenger app, then tap on the profile tab at the bottom right corner and then go to chats. Now tap transfer chat history and then select Android from the option. Now tap continue. Tap continue to start your process. Now on your new phone, download and install the WhatsApp. Open it and then agree to the terms and enter your phone number. Now enter the verification code sent to you, then select transfer from old phone and scan the QR code displayed on the new phone with your old phone's camera. Now accept the connection on the new phone and keep both devices unlocked until the transfer is complete. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this video is helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in my next one.